Are you ready to wash your hands with that 9 to 5 job and say goodbye to being a slave for your boss? I'm going to show you exactly how you can change your life as a beginner in the digital marketing space. Watch this video until the end if you want to change your life and your financial freedom. Freedom is everything. Let's go do this together. Why should you listen to me? Well, I'm just a regular mum from the UK, single mum to a little 4-year-old, and I have changed my life. I went from being a cleaner, carer, now I'm an entrepreneur, helping other mums just like you change your life so that you can have that quality of life that you dream of and that you so deserve, because there is a way out, and I'm going to show you in this video how you can do that. Now, if you're ready to change your life in the digital space, drop a comment ready and I will send you over a free guide to get you started so that you can really understand and get all the information that you need to change your life today. I'm asked a lot, how can I balance my life, my busy life as a mum, with learning something new in the digital space? Now, we learn how to structure a 2-hour workday. You need just 2 hours a day. You can learn through your days, any time of the day, whether it be a little bit in the morning, a little bit on your lunch break, a little bit in the evening. There's time for everyone. There's actually a lady in our community that was working 70 hours a week and she managed to leave her 2 jobs in just 8 weeks by following this program and plugging in and being consistent. So there are no excuses. If she can do it, you can do it too. Do you need tech skills to start? You do not need any tech skills to start. With this program, everything is laid out for you with a step-by-step guide. Everything's built. Websites built, email automations built. All you do is follow the system. You don't have to fiddle with anything. You just need to follow the steps. So no, there's no tech skills required. How much time will you need to commit a day? Now, we say 2 hours a day structure of creating your content that you need to send out. Now, that's just 2 hours a day. You're learning, you can learn as and when you want. Watch little videos. They're not long videos. They're very easy to just put in through your day, whether you're on the bus to work or you're driving to work or all of that. Like with the learning, you can literally learn as you earn. So that's what's really cool about it. You can just, there's so many different videos with different, they're like 5-10 minute videos. It won't hold you up. You can just plug in and play as and when you're free. Is it really impossible to earn an income while working full-time or part-time hours? No, it is not impossible. As I've already mentioned, you need 2 hours a day. Now, when you go to college, you spend how much money and how many hours just to learn that new thing? With this program, you obviously pay a one-time purchase and you learn as you go. You learn on the go. So it's pretty much as simple as that. What if you have never done anything like this before? A bit like me, right? I was a cleaner and a carer. I was a physical worker for all of my working life. I'd never done anything online. I'd fiddled with Facebook a little bit to update my family around the world, but that's as far as social media sort of went for me. So no, you don't need an experience. You just need to plug in and play to be successful. You could be anyone. If you're consistent, you will make it. Another question that people ask me a lot is, what if I get stuck? What can I do? Now, the answer to that is we have a community, a big community. I'll share it on the screen for you just now. You can have a look at this community and just see what we talk about and how we talk to each other and everything in the community. You can ask any questions at all and you'll get an answer. We have a supportive community that are there for each other, which makes things amazing because you're never on your own and you will never be stuck. We have live weekly Zoom calls for tech setup, for onboarding, for anything that you need. There's live Zoom calls every week, about 5 to 6 every week. So you'll always have somewhere where you can plug in and play to so that you can actually ask your questions live and get them answered live and just know where you stand. How soon can you start seeing results? Now, many people that plug in and are consistent, they see results within the first 7 days. And as you get the flow of things and you get your storytelling right and you get everything right, the world's your oyster, because it's only going to get better and better and better. So if you're consistent and you plug in. Now, if you don't plug in and you're not consistent, I cannot tell you where you're going to go, because you can't get anywhere by not being consistent. It's like going to the gym. It's like eating healthy. If you don't go to the gym and you don't stick to a weight loss plan, you're not going to lose weight, right? It's the exact same process, So there's your answer. Is digital marketing suitable for someone with a low social media following? Now, we are actually told to create a whole new social media on the platform that we choose. Now, I only have 300 friends on Facebook. I don't have thousands or millions like these influencers do, but I never created it on my own Facebook. I created a whole new platform. So I promoted organically. We're shown how to create evergreen content, which means content that you can keep reposting maybe after 6 months. One that, a post that's done really well is evergreen because you don't talk about dates and times and certain things like that. So it's an evergreen post. And we're showing exactly how to do that organically for free. What's the upfront investment cost? And are there any hidden costs, fees, or subscriptions? No. You make a one-time purchase. There are no other hidden fees apart from your website fee, which is $29. But apart from the website fee, there's no other fees. You're part of that community forever online. You can check in when you want. There's no hidden nothings. You just pay that one-time fee and that is it. So any sales that you make are 100% yours, 100% yours to keep. So when you buy that product, you sell it on for the same price as many times as you want. How does digital marketing create more time and freedom for you and your family? Because it's not all about money. It's about freedom and quality of life. Now, as I've mentioned before, we are shown how to work a 2-hour structured workday. So we work 2 hours a day and we make sure that we plan and structure them 2 hours so that we get done what we need, because you know how it is in this world now. We get sidetracked on our phones, scrolling through Facebook, scrolling through here. Like, if we structure it and we stick to that structure, we can then go off for the rest of our days and get on with what we've got to do, because we've got the email automations working 24/7 for us and all the money's yours. What makes this program different from any other programs that you may have seen advertised? Now, first of all, I'll go back to affiliate marketing and network marketing. With affiliate and network marketing, you're only getting small commissions of each sale, whereas with digital marketing, you get 100% of your sales directly to you. So it's a lot different. And obviously, this program that I use is beginner friendly. So there's not really much to do apart from plugging in, playing, and follow the step-by-steps. You can do this simply by joining the digital marketing world. You are taught to structure a 2-hour workday. Therefore, you have 22 hours in your day to get on with your day. Now, you have to make sure that you stick to that structure and watch the step-by-step training just to get you in the swing of things, because it's going to be life-changing, because we so easily get swayed off on our phones, watching people's feeds on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube and everywhere else. It's all about structuring that 2-hour workday and sticking to it, because if you do, them 22 hours are left to do exactly what you want to do, because you have the email automations doing all of that work for you that you don't need to do. How does this program that I've bought stand out and be so different to all of the other ones out there that you can purchase? Now, I've done all the work for you already because I researched into the best program with the best things so that I didn't have to do much for myself, because I didn't have the tech skills and I didn't have the experience. And that's where I found the Legacy Builders program. And that is why you don't need to do the research, because I've already done it. All you have to do is plug in, play, and start setting out that financial freedom and life that that you've been dreaming of and that you really, really, really so want, because it's right here in front of you. Let me tell you that. How do you know this isn't a scam? Now, you just have to trust my words for it. I've got all of my websites. There's loads of information out there on the internet about the Legacy Builders program. You can do your research. I share many testimonials on my videos. And I've always been an honest person because I've cared for people all my life. So it's not a scam, guys. It really is not a scam. You buy the product once, there's no hidden subscriptions, and you sell it on. It's simply as simple as that. I hope all of this has made sense to you, because if it hasn't, I want you to drop down in the comments and ask the questions that you want answered. Now, if all of this sounds good to you, drop down ready in the comments and I will get you my free gifted blueprint, 10K in 30 days, sent right over to you. And then you can have a look and check it all out. I mean, imagine having that life that you dream of. We've all got dreams. And that's where I took the first step and said, no more excuses. I can do it. And so can you. Imagine my dreams for me was to be able to world school my daughter and travel. And that is exactly what I'm going to be doing in the next year or so. Follow me for more.